how a speed limit sensor can be used to activate the signal light downstream. Downstream, in there, you see that is red, and then downstream there is a traffic light. This speed limit sensor sends if cars were over the speed limit. The green one is below the speed limit. When it is red, that means it is above the speed limit. When 1 to 3 cars will pass the speed limit, that means it would be in red. He will activate the red signal light downstream on the traffic light. It will become red. This is a safety component that can be used in order for the cars to stop, because after the traffic light it will descend, and if you are driving, we know very well that this will give us an enjoyable way of driving too fast. That's the reason why they put the speed sensor at this area. And that's it. That's good.